Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download the best free app for learning languages, Akelius. By the way, this app was developed in collaboration with UNICEF. First open the Play Store or App Store depending on your operating system. Then tap on the search bar and type Akelius languages. We found it. Now tap on Install to download the app and wait a little. By the way, even though this app is free, it offers many features and is even better than some paid apps. UNICEF helped develop it to support the right to education for everyone around the world. Now let's tap on Open and Explore. The first thing you'll see on the homepage is the logo of Akelius alongside UNICEF, emphasizing their shared mission to promote free education for all as the foundation of this app. Now you can choose the language you want to learn. In my case, I'll choose German. As you can see, the learning path in the app offers comprehensive language coverage from pre-A1 level all the way to B2. And now let's take the first step toward learning. As you can see, the lesson is divided into multiple parts: lecture, game, guessing, song, grammar, personal coach, and finally test, to ensure the lesson content is truly retained in your memory. Honestly, this is something you won't even find with the best language teacher. I won't be able to try all the sections so you don't get bored and the video doesn't get too long. Let's try a lecture. As you can see, the lesson is divided into more than one part.
Apfel, Apfel.
The application pronounces each word and you must repeat after it.
Apfel.
A, A. A, A.
Apfel. Apfel.
P, P.
As you have seen, you are taught in a simple, easy and comprehensive way. I now leave you to discover the features and content of the application. By the way, the more progress you make, the more you can earn coins and compete with your friends on your learning journey. Thanks for watching. Wishing you an incredibly productive day filled with positive energy and happiness as bright as your amazing spirit. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, solutions and inspiration.